Welcome back, everyone. I'm your Stream MacGyver, and today we're diving into something crucial: building an engaged community from scratch. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now so you never miss out on a new video. Whether you're here for top-tier streaming tutorials, practical game tips, or epic playthroughs, I got you covered. Let's level up together. So you might be asking, why is community important? Well, it's the backbone of any successful stream. If you're struggling to turn your viewers into a loyal community, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a community that keeps viewers coming back, even when the stream is offline. From interacting in chat to using Discord and social media, I'll break down the essential strategies to build a dedicated, engaged audience. Now let's get to it. First things first. If you want to build a community, you have to be present and consistent. Showing up regularly builds trust with your viewers. Whether you're streaming once a week or 4 times a week, consistency lets your audience know when to expect you. Having a set schedule helps you retain viewers. Use tools like Google Calendar or Twitch's built-in schedule feature to make your audience know when you're going live. When I first started streaming, I was all over the place with my schedule, and it really hurt my growth. Once I committed to a consistent schedule, I noticed viewers were coming back more often because they knew when to find me. I always compare people's streams to television shows because that's exactly what they are for our viewers. If they don't know when their favorite show is live, how can you expect them to commit to showing up? Next up, engaging with your chat. This one is huge. No matter how many viewers you have, make an effort to interact with them. When someone pops into your stream, acknowledge them. A simple, "Hey, how's it going?" can go a long way. Ask open-ended questions, set up polls, and use tools like Stream Elements or Firebot to keep chat lively. I even set up cool channel point redemptions to mess with my stream if I get too locked into a game. I also added sound effect commands that my viewers handpicked so they can utilize that to keep up another level of interaction with me while I'm live. And that is one of many examples of maintaining engagement. Engagement is key. It turns casual viewers into active participants. If your chat is quiet, don't be afraid to keep talking. Give commentary, ask for feedback, or share a funny story to keep things moving. Creating a safe space is essential for building a supportive and inclusive community. Your viewers should feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, experiences, and even their struggles. When they feel safe, they're more likely to engage and participate actively. Now, this doesn't mean that everything has to be completely open-ended. Start by setting clear rules for your chat and community. Make sure everyone knows what behavior is acceptable and what isn't. This can include no harassment, hate speech, or trolling. Pin these rules in your chat or Discord server so they're always visible. I should also add the importance of making these guidelines very clear to your mods so they can be sword bearers for the tone you're setting for your stream. Also, encourage your community to give feedback on how to improve their experience. Create a suggestions channel in Discord where viewers can voice their ideas. This shows that you value their input and are committed to making your community a better place for everyone. For instance, I had a dedicated community member who was a regular and a strong supporter of my channel. However, I later discovered that this person was participating in voice chats with other members and engaging in conversations that made some feel uncomfortable. As a result, some members began to shy away from participating because they were uncertain how to voice their concerns without causing any drama. Once I addressed the situation and removed that member, it really helped establish a clear understanding what behavior is acceptable in my community. This change made my viewers feel valued and safe, encouraging more open communication. Remember, the more inclusive and safe your community feels, the more likely they are to engage, participate, and help grow that community together. Another way to build an engaged community: take it beyond your stream with a Discord server. Discord gives your viewers a place to hang out when you're offline, discuss gaming, and even get alerts when you're live. Set up dedicated channels for stream alerts, viewer hangouts, and even community events. Use bots like Me6 or CaroBot to help manage your server effectively. These bots can help automate roles based on activity, which not only keeps your community organized, but also encourages engagement. For example, you can set up leveling systems that reward members for chatting and participating, making them feel recognized and valued. It also makes your content creation life a little easier by utilizing automation to let people know when you're live. Now let's talk about social media. Extending your community beyond the stream is vital. Platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram are perfect for keeping your viewers engaged. Post behind-the-scenes content, personal moments, stream clips, skits, or even personal updates to build a deeper connection with your viewers. Engagement is key to building a thriving community. The more your viewers participate, the stronger their connection to your channel becomes. Here are some effective ways to encourage their involvement. One of the easiest ways to engage your audience is through interactive polls and questions during your streams. Use tools like Twitch's built-in polling feature or third-party services to ask your viewers about their preferences, favorite games, or even what they'd like to see next on your channel. This not only provides you with valuable feedback, but also makes your viewers feel like their opinions matter. Another fun way to boost participation is by incorporating viewer challenges or games into your streams. For instance, you could host a trivia night where viewers can answer questions related to your gameplay or favorite games. Offering small rewards or shoutouts to winners can further incentivize participation and excitement. Another cool thing to do is consider scheduling regular Q&A sessions where viewers can ask you anything about your streaming journey, game strategies, or even personal interests. This not only fosters a deeper connection with your audience, but also creates a relaxed atmosphere where they feel comfortable engaging with you directly. I think this next one is key. Make it a point to recognize and highlight viewer contributions during your streams. Whether it's a thoughtful comment, a great suggestion, or even a funny moment they created, acknowledging their input makes them feel valued and encourages others to participate. Don't forget to share your own personal stories and experiences. Opening up about your journey can resonate with your audience and inspire them to share their own. When viewers see that you're relatable and approachable, they're more than likely to engage. Remember, the more you encourage your viewers to participate, the stronger your community will become. Foster an environment where everyone feels welcome and valued, and you'll see your engagement levels soar. Hosting community events is a fantastic way to bring your viewers together and strengthen your community bonds. These events can be both fun and engaging, providing opportunities for your audience to interact with you and each other in a more personal setting. Consider scheduling regular community events such as game nights, tournaments, or themed streams. For example, you can host monthly game nights where viewers can join you in multiplayer games. This not only creates a sense of belonging, but also allows your audience to engage with you directly. Leverage platforms like Discord to organize these events. Create dedicated channels for event planning where viewers can vote on the games to play or suggest new activities. This inclusivity encourages participation and gives your audience a sense of ownership in the events. Encourage your viewers to contribute by allowing them to submit ideas or even content for the events. For instance, you could have a viewer art showcase during a stream where they show their creations related to your channel or favorite games. This not only highlights their talents, but also fosters a creative community atmosphere. To make events even more exciting, consider offering incentives for participation. This could be in the form of giveaways, special recognition during streams, or even exclusive in-game items. These rewards can motivate viewers to join in and become more active participants in your community. After hosting an event, be sure to follow up with your community. Share highlights, thank everyone for their participation, and ask for feedback on how to improve future events. This not only shows that you value their input, but also keeps the momentum going for the next event. Never underestimate the impact of collaboration. Seek out streamers within your niche and reach out to them about creating collaborative content together. Don't hesitate to take these initiatives. Building relationships with other creators and their communities can be incredibly rewarding. This not only exposes your audience to new viewers, but also expand both of your audiences. Aim to collaborate with streamers whose personalities complement yours for the most effective partnerships. I've forged some incredible connections by working with fellow streamers who share my passion. Not only does this help grow your community, but it also makes streaming a lot more enjoyable when you can share the experience with other entertainers who are just as passionate as you are. Now, I know that was a lot to dig into, but that is it for this video. What's your best tips for keeping your community engaged? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and let's help each other grow. Also, if you haven't already, follow me on Twitch for live discussions where we can chat in real time. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more streaming and gaming tips and tutorials. Together, we can conquer our dreams and grow a fantastic community. Thank you for watching. Later.